Hi, welcome to my bathroom. This is the kind of station that we keep everything related to the bathroom. So I'm just gonna be clean. My retainer is making it extra hard to talk right now. So that's a thing that's happening. So yeah, I'm cleaning this area. I'm gonna kind of go through some things. I have this box right here. So I share this bathroom with my partner. I have this container for my stuff. He has this container for his stuff. Mine basically becomes a catch-all for jewelry, hair accessories, everything. So I wanted to go through. Plus there's just a ton of stuff that's like I used this one time and it doesn't belong here anymore, so I need to put those things back. Let's get in. I'm just like, I'm gonna turn my back to you now. Earrings. Aren't these so cute? They're one of those like $5 packs from Walmart and I've had them for forever. This is almost in my empties. I'm so excited about that. I should probably put this in my medicine. This is the Hormonal Health Cycle Care Comfort. I mean, this is my first bottle. I need to be more consistent with taking it. It's so funny because this last night was a full moon and my period started, so I feel very surprised that I didn't turn into a werewolf last night. Things are just, wow. Anyway. This is the Vanish PFB Post-Waxing and Shaving Serum. It's basically roll-on salicylic acid. I need to be better about using this, but I'm going to try to put this more front and center. So far, I can tell you what I have going on here already. My kind of night routine is to remove my makeup with the DHC Cleansing Oil. I follow that up with the Purity facial wash from Philosophy. I have that over on my sink. After I'm done cleansing my face, I spritz with water. This is just a spritz bottle. And then I apply every other night about the salicylic pad from Oxy Acne medication. I've used the Stridex before, and this is my first time using these Oxy ones. I definitely prefer the Stridex more. These pads are a little bit grittier in texture, and they don't seem to have as much product. They're not as soaked. So, I mean, but it is just salicylic acid soaked pads, so. And then about once a week, I'm still using that 30% AHA, BHA situation from The Ordinary. I'm just trying to use it up. Sometimes I feel like, I don't know. And then in the morning, I cleanse with water. I use this fresh vitamin Nectar antioxidant glow water as like a vitamin C. And then I apply this Hawaiian Tropic Weightless Face Sunscreen in SPF 30. It's almost done. I used a couple pumps this morning. I'm not sure if it'll be able to pump out more tomorrow. We'll see. If not, you'll see this in my empties. Oh, but then I forgot to mention, this is the moisturizer that I use at night. It's just a hydrating facial lotion. I've used a Vanicream one before and I really like that. I couldn't find it at the CVS that I went to, so I picked this up and it's been good. It's like very thin, and I make sure to, that's why it's very key to use the water spray beforehand. Okay, now to get into this area over here. Some ProGuard retainer washes. This is my case for my glasses. This is a clipper kit. I'm going to put this in my hair basket. Ooh, this is the Grande Brow Growth Serum. I haven't been using this lately because I'm testing out I am kind of testing them out. I'm gathering all my serious thoughts about some clear brow gels, and I didn't want to impact the results of that, so I stopped using this, but I'm excited to get back into it. I do have depilatory just because I want to. I mean, I'm generally a shaving kind of girl. No, that's not true. I generally don't shave. I have like leg hairs grown in right now. It's usually like once a month. I'm like, maybe I want to shave. Like maybe I want to like. So I change my sheets every week. I change my sheets every week, and then sometimes I'll think to myself, oh, I just changed the sheets. Maybe maybe before I shower tonight, I should use this, so then I can be like freshly shaven legs, all lotioned up in the fresh sheets. Ooh, and then I forget. But I think I'm actually going to do it soon just because some me time. So yeah. I have the Tatcha Indigo Soothing Rice Enzyme Powder. This is a enzymatic exfoliant where you get a little bit of water on your hands, like splash some out, go all over. I still have a ton of this. Just like when I'm not feeling this and I feel like I need a scrub, I do this because it feels less like rubbing rocks on my face. You know what I mean? I remember, like, I actually got this a long time ago, but since it's a powder and I've kept it really dry, I don't feel like I need to throw it out. But at the time that I got that, I had used the St. Ives scrub. And then a couple of years ago, everyone was like, oh my god, if you're using those scrubs, you're basically lacerating your face every day. And now everyone's super into chemical exfoliants, which is like cool, very cool. And I just thought it was really funny how, like, and now everyone's like sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. But at the time that everyone was like, you better stop scrubbing your face all the time and instead use like this every day. The amount of sunscreen use when people were talking about this, abysmal. And like, I don't know, my neck is obviously paler than my face. Why that is very frustrating to me. I know that my dermatologist has told me before that I have rosacea, but at the same time, it's still like, I'm annoyed. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, I mean, maybe while we're here, I'll also talk about what I have in my hair basket. I have 2 brushes for hair brushing. Pre-shower, I brush my hair. And then post-shower, I have a leave-in conditioner. I also have this, ooh, yeah. So this is a leave-in conditioner. I have another leave-in conditioner in my shower. And then this is a really awesome refresh spray from Kerastase. A hair gel from LA Looks. This is the Extreme Sport. Made some killer progress. This is a Freeze Is Extra Strength Hair Serum for thick and coarse hair. I love this. This is great. This is a game changer. If you find that your hair is like stringy and doesn't like clump together, this is something you should consider. Don't put it anywhere close to your roots because it will make them very greasy. But this just like stews all the frizziness. It's so good. And this is a product I've used for years too. I also have this Frizz-Ease Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream. I have like a high-end hair routine and then a drugstore hair routine. And they also achieve like very different looks. But when I'm using my drugstore routine, I use this. And I use this to kind of like get everything together back in the program. And I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about it. Oh, this one's really cool. So if you really love the conditioners that come in box hair dye kits, this is a product for you. So I don't dye my hair with box dye anymore. I haven't done that for a really long time actually, but I got this at Sally's Beauty, and this is the Ion After Color Treatment, and it is all those conditioners in one tube, and this is 7 ounces. So it's about, I don't know if you can tell, but it's about right here where my thumbnail is. So it's about halfway, it's about halfway done. I keep forgetting to use this, but it's so good. It just gives that like extra quenching, like softening whenever I feel like my hair is just like feeling kind of like gritty from being dry, and it just needs that extra boost of moisturization. That does it. And then I also forgot to mention, I have this Batiste Dry Shampoo. I'm not a major dry shampoo person just because having curly hair means you can't brush your hair when it's curly. Unless you're going to like heat style it or something like that, or a brushed out curly look is what you're going for. Like, and that can be a look. It can be a look. But it's just not a look that I'm like going for all the time. So I generally don't use this unless my hair is straight or if I've done a blow dry on it. And that's when I'll use this. Awesome, it looks like I'm all done here. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope that you found some really cool products, and thank you just for spending all this time with me because it's really fun to film this and share it with you. So anyway, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!